So hello guys, once again welcome back in your own YouTube channel High Society Club. Welcome to our YouTube channel, and this is our first video of our YouTube channel. And in this video we are going to show about an earning platform, or this is a platform, and this is a legit platform, and this is a platform whose give a withdraw, and the platform name is CPAGrip. CPAGrip is a international platform that gives you a chance to earn money, and you can earn your means expenses. You will earn many of dollars through a affiliate network and monetization tools or offer walls etc. And in this video we will learn how to make a CPAGrip account and how to earn from a CPAGrip. So let's start. First of all, you want to type CPAGrip on Google, and first site will become CPAGrip. For that, first of all, register yourself and then click on a register. After this, it will be searching, verify that you are not a robot. It will be verifying your, and this is, and now it is proceeding. And here he gave your personal information. Here we will provide high society, high society club, and then company name is यहाँ पर हम लिख देंगे and club, and here we write a company name high club. After this, publisher type we are a author, ठीक है, and here we are enter our Gmail, and after this, for this we can copy our Gmail. We can copy our Gmail from here, and now we can copy our Gmail. And copy. After that, we can paste our Gmail. Our website is not important here, and password, we can create a password. And after this, time zone we can select ठीक है, and then country we will select our this. After state address, for this, after this we can city, and here we type our city. So after this we can track our postal code. For that, and here the format. So here we can click yes account, and then Skype ID. For this you can put this information and click to sign up. Here my account is created, so I will just log in. After that, we are logging in our our CPAGrip account. Here our fresh account, because we have a 0 revenue, ठीक है. And for this we have a many opportunities to earn money from here. We have a monetization tool, we have a static and characters, and we have a offer tool, we have a postback tool, we have a refer program. If we have a referral program, after that, so we have a little bit net issue that receive 5% commission on all earning that your friends generate for life. Means if your friends generate $100, you will get $5 easily. and this is a very legit and a trusted website. You can earn from here with more ways, and you can earn recently added offer payout $1 point to enter your basket of land again. And if we have a click on this, so 1 week, and copy this link to provide your desktop, you can earn $1.002. Many different ways to you can earn from here. Your earning will be added here, and you will be payment center in if you withdraw your payment, you on a payment center, and payment method will be a Pioneer Global Bank Transfer, Pioneer Prepaid Caster Card, USA Bank only, PayPal. You get withdraw in your PayPal account. So this is our video, and I hope you will like this video, you will enjoy our video. So thank you so much for watching our channel High Society Club. So we will meet in our next video. So thank you so much.